This is my post on Substack, both newsletter and note format, called Moving Day. It's about moving from dad's house, patriarchy, to mom's house. We're in that transition right now. And I just want to say up front, the world is going to be so beautiful, you can't even imagine. We're just right in the transition point. It's moving day right now. So this is to help us stay grounded and know the new house rules, which are really the natural laws, the how we do things by default. So I said, I see a simple process, family. Practical habit here. If you don't know, there's a whole taxonomy of what I call kindreds. I'm a hobbit. Think of it like we have squatters at the house and we need to remove them so that we can all move in. They are very weak people, like barely alive, truly. So they will come voluntarily or dissolve themselves, like they very well may take themselves out. I volunteer to help them heal after they've been detained, if they would like. 30 years in healthcare, I know how to help people heal. Everyone can heal. It is a simple remembrance, a wake up from fear. Spells are able to be broken in an instant. I've seen it happen repeatedly in my 30 years as a healthcare professional. I know it can happen. They are in every major state building, corporation, and nonprofit, including all churches. It's the whole system. We need the men to walk in and then hand the women the keys, the microphones. Hundreds of millions of men are awakening now all over the world. So you've got the numbers, men. Even the men on X are awake now. I've been over there. I say start with the White House. It's the obvious choice. That alone should do it. But the Vatican everywhere is involved. But here are the house rules as I see them once our home is secured. It's just a matter of securing it. First, care. We are one family, so we care for one another. And we do it in this order, from men to women to young people, always in that flow. Then we share everything. We are one organism, one body mind. So to hoard resource is to hoard blood in the body, and the whole body falls ill, which is what we've seen. So we share, we flow together. When we share, our level of abundance is astronomical. It's out of this world. We can't even imagine it. But we do need a reset because there is a debt that is owed. So here's how we do it. It's the biblical phrase, the last goes first and the first goes last. So those most harmed by the system are returned what they are owed first. That means our more melanated sisters from the global south go first. And our less melanated brothers, our least melanated brothers from the global north go last. Everybody wins. Everybody receives everything we could want and more. But our original mothers, our eldest sisters, are front and center. We have a process for this transfer if we need it. We may not need it. I call it gift coin. My friend Evan T. Hill wrote a white paper for us on the process. It's in the open source world page on my Substack. You can read it. It's called gift coin. Then play. We do what we feel like doing. It is always summer vacation at our house. However we share and care, it should feel like play. So we operate from our natural flow. We can call it a play cosmology, an open source ecology, a care economy, or just fun, just our natural way to roll. Here are some questions to guide us. Do I feel relaxed and joyful doing this? Does it bring me energy, not take it away? Does it benefit everybody? That's it. Those are the 3 questions. And those are our ground rules. Care, share, and play. Basically, love on wheels. One big party. My phone line remains open. My number is posted. If anyone needs guidance in organizing this walk-in, I believe in you men. I'm here cheering you on. You can do this. You have the numbers. I'm your biggest fan, even if you think I hate you. I never did. I love you so much. And we're there. We just need a public changing of the guard with love.